Hello everybody and welcome back to Hugo House. Today, why don't we do this rustic kitchen renovation? Looking for some rustic interior design inspiration? Adding in rustic and natural elements into your home decor while balancing them with modern finishes is a great way to get this design look. This renovation of a rustic kitchen in a log home design is a great example of rustic decor done right. The kitchen is beautifully done with custom touches like the hand-hewn reclaimed timber and stone hood surrounding the range. This brings in the outdoors, making it feel relaxed and laid back. Then the custom distressed rustic cherry cabinetry fits right in and looks like it's been in the kitchen for years in the best way possible. By taking brand new kitchen cabinetry and distressing it, you can achieve that rustic look without having to go with older kitchen cabinets that are possibly past their prime. For a more contemporary touch, the added honed granite kitchen countertops and a modern herringbone backsplash done in gray slate subway tiles to balance the look. Mixing and matching rustic touches and more modern style touches, a great way to do rustic decor without having it look too outdated. You can also bring in reclaimed wood, which is very popular to use in decor and construction these days, as it adds some character, texture, and style. You can see that the ceiling in the kitchen is covered in reclaimed wood, which looks great and shows there are ways to use older items to make them fit into a modern design. One of the other great details in the kitchen cabinetry is the drawer at the floor level that pulls out to reveal the dog bowls. This is a great way to store away your dog's bowls when they aren't in use, and it makes it easy to pull out and pour the food in when it's mealtime. There is also a rooster and hen theme going on in this kitchen home design, which gives it even more of a rustic country look. The lighting is all industrial style lighting, which lends itself to a more rustic aesthetic. But they also added in some pot lighting as well, while the color palette in this kitchen home design is kept fairly neutral in this kitchen. There are hints of red, yellow, and green here and there, which warms it up. A nice touch is a bar at the kitchen counter, which is always nice to have if you have kids, or it could also be great for guests too. As with any design style, the attention to details is most important. So when choosing door handles, it's nice to choose ones that match with the other elements of the room, and ones that are of a farmhouse or rustic style. In this kitchen, they used scoop drawer handles, which are earlier, so they do bring some of the old decor. Each item you add into a home design like this will tell a story, which is what gives this type of kitchen such a cozy and relaxed look. And if you like this video, consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.